Good sheep, yeah. All right. Got my new little dairy sheep Rosie over there, sheared. Got all three of my dairy ewes sheared now. She was the last one because she's the skinniest. I just got her a month ago. She wasn't fattened up like mine, so I wanted to get her fattened up so she looks decent when I shear her. So after I shear my sheep, I lay down the fleece with the skin side up so that it has exposure to the sun's UV light like the outside of the fleece does. And I do that because the UV light from the sun actually converts the cholesterol in the lanolin. The lanolin is the waxy, oily substance on that's on the wool, and it has cholesterol in it that when the UV light hits it, it converts it into vitamin D3. And vitamin D3 is what they add to all the world's milk to supplement it with vitamin D, including nut milks. If it's vitamin D2 is from vegetables. But yeah, vitamin D3 is from the sheep industry. It's from their wool and the lanolin specifically. So the way that I've developed to felt my wool, I don't need to use any soap or even hot water. So all my clothing has all the lanolin, original lanolin, left intact. And that lanolin, when it touches my skin, is supplying my body through my pores with vitamin D3 throughout the year. So this is my method for maintaining my vitamin D levels year round. I don't eat the vitamin D supplements. My sheep make the vitamin D, and I wear the wool and the vitamin D and absorb it through my skin. You guys are the best. What a good sheep. Yeah. Such happy sheeps. Such happy sheeps. No wonder the stuff that you exude makes people happy.